Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Drawings and insert them into Google Slideshows. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to go and create a new Google Drawing. So I'm going to go over here to New. I'm going to click New, More, and Google Drawings. It's going to bring up a new Google Drawing. And I'm going to actually name this example 2 because I already have an example in my drive. Now you'll notice that it has kind of this checkered background. That means the background is transparent. If I were to put any other image on this, the background on it would be transparent when I would save it. So if you want it to have some kind of background, you need to make sure that it has a full background on it. Ways that you can do that is insert a shape. So I can insert a square into the whole thing and just make sure everything is above that square, and I can fill in that square, or I can insert an image. Inserting an image is a really cool way to add things to your slideshow. You can insert it a variety of ways. A lot of students like to choose search from the web. And you can actually search backgrounds from the web. So for example, say I wanted to use a mall background. I can choose any of these backgrounds. So say I wanted this background. I can insert that into my Google Drawing. And it'll automatically size it for me. And I can resize it myself if I want. And now if I want to add people or different things, I can do it a variety of ways. I can add shapes and create people. I've created people out of shapes. Or you can go ahead and insert people from insert image. I have inserted from the computer before, but one of the easiest things I found is just to insert from the web. So I'm going to insert from the web. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to insert with a transparent background. So one thing that you're going to want to do is say I wanted to add a teen. So I'm going to say a teen, and I'm going to say transparent. You're going to type teen, transparent, and if I click this teen right here, he's going to have a transparent background. Now, another way to do this that's a little easier than typing in transparent every single time is you can type in teen PNG. And it'll do the same thing. So let's add that same dude. And again, you can resize the teen to be whatever size that you need him to be. You can also replace images, you can add lines, you can add text boxes, you can format and arrange things however you like. It's just a really great tool. Now, once you have everything the way that you want to do, you're going to want to insert it into the slideshow that you have. For example, I want to insert things into my PSA storyboard slideshow. And I have an image slot here that I want to insert it into. And I already have my example right here. Say this is my example for my storyboard. How I need to insert it here is I need to do a couple of things. First, I need to go to my Google Drawing. I need to go to File, and I need to go to Publish to the Web. And I need to click Publish, and I want to publish the selection. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. Now that you've gone ahead and done this and published it to the web, you're going to go over to your storyboard template or whichever slideshow you're going to use, and you're going to click the image that you want to replace. And you're going to click Replace Image. Now, if there isn't already an image, you're going to want to click Insert image, and you're going to want to insert by URL and paste your URL that you just got. But in this case, there already is an image for me. So I'm going to click the image that I want to replace. And up on my toolbar, I'm going to click Replace Image by URL. And I'm going to paste the URL it gave me. I'm going to click Replace. And it should replace it the same size. There you have it. Everything that you need to use a Google Drawing and to insert it into a Google slideshow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Teachers Pay Teachers. Have a great day. Bye, guys.